So recently, I finished The Locked Door by Frida McFadden, and this book was about 3 to 3.5 because I didn't like this book that much. It didn't give me that much thrill that I was expecting from this book. Though the plot was really good, and I literally love the plot, but that wasn't scary as the people on Instagram and YouTube told about this book. I don't know. I didn't got attached to this book. This book could be a lot better, but still, I don't know what to say about this book. But still, this book left me with so many questions, what was the old lady or the old landlord of Brady's apartment was talking about? Was the voices she was talking about? It was the movies that she was talking about, like the voices, or it was Brady's daughter. I don't think so. It was the movies because at one scene, I might be wrong, but at one scene, Brady said that he doesn't like bad horror movies that and Nora used to watch. So I don't think so. It was those, and I don't know. And if it was Brady's daughter, then why did Nora got a awful smell? And when Nora noticed that awful smell coming from that particular room, that scene was really kind of weird for me because how can she smell the blood and the rotten smell of the body? Like how can she smell it? How this is even possible? That like whatever, like how it is possible if the things aren't fishy? And it can also be like that that she was hallucinating because she was tired, she had a long day and at all, but that's not the case because like uh, a blood, a rotten smell of a body, it's completely different. It's genuinely different. And some people might say that the room is always closed, that's why the smell might be coming. like uh, as Brady said that his daughter comes every weekend to him to spend time with him, but like that doesn't make sense. Doesn't he clean the room when he's alone? Doesn't he just open the door while he's alone at home? And when I read that scene, when Nora saw the room, that room had a pile of teddy bears and all and the stuffed toys. I think that was something that he was Brady was hiding something in there. Like something was there. I'm sure about that. I can't prove it, but it was there. This is the best thing about this book, that it left me with some unanswered questions. But still, I give it 3 to 3.5 because this book could be better. Yeah, it could be better, but still, it was a good read. So, thank you guys. Happy reading.